Hello guys, I am coming at you today in my wonderful kimono and with a little cup of coffee because today we are going to talk about mornings, about waking up, energized, feeling happy, feeling ready for the day. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you about the 5 things that get me out and about in the morning and up and running. So if this is something that you feel is interesting for you because you don't feel like being a morning person, then stick around and I will tell you all about it. Alright, so first and foremost, I want to tell you that I was not a morning person, like not at all. I used to feel like I was literally dying when my alarm clock would ring. It was so hard for me to open my eyes and get out of bed in the morning. Until I read the book Miracle Morning by Károly Heinrich. I'm gonna link the book in the description, you can go and check it out. It's a really good book, and by the way, if you would like me to make a video about the Miracle Morning, because I kind of switched it up and changed it up to make it my own Miracle Morning, then let me know in the comments if this is a video that you find interesting. Then I will make sure to create that video for you. So after reading this book, I tried out the Miracle Morning and I woke up at 4:30 a.m. and something magical happened. I just learned how to enjoy mornings. I figured out a way to actually feel happy when my alarm clock rings, instead of having this little feeling that you have when you hear your alarm clock. I really was looking forward to it, and I really enjoy mornings now, genuinely enjoy them. So these advices are not about getting up early, they're just about getting up happy. So regardless of the time that you wake up in the morning, you can try out these things and let me know how you like them and whether they work for you or not. The first thing that gets me happily out and about is Pablo. Yes, our little doggo that comes into the bed in the morning with his little fluffy face and just comes to cuddle and asks us to go for a walk. Is just the best thing ever, and it is just something that makes me genuinely happy to wake up to his little cute face. So that is definitely the advice number 0. Now the first advice is to prepare something that you love, that you really enjoy to wake up to. Like a little surprise or like a little present or treat for yourself that you can wake up to, so that you really look forward to the moment that your alarm clock rings. This is also called the Christmas morning phenomenon. What I sometimes do is that if I want to order something online, for example, my favorite tea or something that I have been wanting to buy for a while, then I would keep that moment for the morning, because I know that I would have my alarm clock ring and feel like, oh yes, I can go order my favorite tea now. That's exciting. Let's get up. So this is something that you can utilize to give you the little spark of getting out of bed happy and excited. Your surprise or your morning treat does not necessarily need to be an online purchase. It can also be something that you're really looking forward to do. For example, if you have always wanted to get back to drawing, prepare your drawing tools on your desk so that when your alarm clock rings, you can get up and walk to your desk and start doing the things that you love. You can surprise yourself with some little things as well. Go to bed with a happy thought, because the last thing that you think about is the first thing that you think about when you wake up. To go to bed with a happy and relaxed mood, what can really help you is having a great night routine. So just take a moment, relax, meditate, or journal, or read an inspiring book, or do some activity that makes you happy and chills you down. That way you can go to sleep feeling like you're going to get a good night's sleep, and you will be so ready for the next morning that when your alarm clock rings, you're going to jump out of bed and be ready for the new day, a new day full of opportunities, of exciting experiences, and of new possibilities, really. I know that in the book Miracle Morning, it is said that even if you don't get enough sleep, if you tell yourself that you will feel energized when your alarm clock rings and that you have slept enough no matter how many hours you have slept, I have to kind of disagree with that one, because I believe that sleep is one of the most important things that we humans do. Because sleep is extremely important for health, for your mental health, for your physical health, for everything. Sleep is essential for memorization, for problem solving, for your metabolism, for the regeneration of your cells, for your mood, for your hormones, for everything. Sleep is super important. In fact, sleep withdrawal is even used as a way of torture. So, let's not do that to ourselves. Let's protect this very valuable and important thing that we do, that is taking rest, regenerating, processing information, finding solutions, memorizing, growing. And I mean growth in a physical way. It is true that it depends from one person to another how many hours are enough sleep. I encourage you to find out how much you need to sleep and protect your sleep, because it is so important. Protecting the sleep quality itself is just as important. Make sure that you sleep in a quiet and peaceful environment that is comfortable, where there is not too much noise, not too much light, and not too much disturbances that wake you up during the night. Also, the temperature of the room is really important for your sleep quality. We say that 18 degrees is the ideal sleeping temperature. Another thing that can impact your sleep quality is alcohol. Drinking alcohol is going to reduce the quality of your sleep. Maybe it might increase the number of hours that you sleep, but you're just not going to have such a good of a sleep. So avoid drinking alcohol is also going to help you sleep better. Staying away from coffee, tea, or nicotine might also increase your sleep quality. And the last advice that can help you enjoy and love your mornings is creating a bomb morning routine. Make sure that the morning becomes your very favorite moment of the day, because it is a wonderful moment. If you wake up early enough, you get distraction-free hours where you can focus on only what you want to focus on. Because people are still sleeping, everything is so calm and so relaxed and so quiet, and this quiet and distraction-free time is so rare that it is such a valuable moment, that is such a great resource to use for yourself, for taking care of yourself, for listening to yourself, for being productive, for doing what you need to be doing, because it is total you time. And creating a beautiful morning routine to start the day on a positive and empowering note is such a powerful thing that is going to increase your mood, increase your productivity, increase your everything. Let me know down in the comments whether you are a morning or evening person, and I would love to read your comments about that and chat with you. I hope that you enjoyed this video, that it brought you value, and see you in the next one.